Dear friends, in this video I am comparing the work of Total Station with new instrument known as Digital Land Survey Equipment. Initially, instructors of Total Station are explaining its working method in the field. From working demo of Total Station, it is found that ground point coordinates are required to start working of a total station. Let us consider the same example quoted above to compute the coordinates with slight difference in technique of taking field measurements to plot the ground coordinates as shown in the figure. Instead of knowing distance AB equals to 38 meter, we set the total station at point 0 and distances OA, OB, OC and OD are measured by laser meter as 16.49, 22.63, 17.61 and 19.61 meter respectively. The coordinates cannot be determined with given data, therefore total station cannot be used. The emphasis of bringing this fact before the surveyors is that the technology has changed and the total station has become obsolete. We introduce the use of new instrument known as digital land surveying equipment, which has replaced the use of three surveying instruments: theodolite, auto level and total station, because it is less costly and easy in use.
Digital land survey equipment is designed for following works: digital surveys to make maps and engineering plans, boundary surveys, area survey, topographic survey, road and canal survey, layout preparation, contour survey, partition and open space development for recreation parks and landscaping. Digital land survey equipment is an assembly of following components available in the open market. Number 1. Drawing board mounted on a stand. Drawing sheet is pinned on the board to make the spot drawing the ground objects. Number 2. Sighting vane to draw raised to ground objects. Number 3. U-fork to transfer ground point on the drawing sheet. Number 4. Laser meter with table mounted stand. Number 5. Ranging rods with display card to make the station. Number 6. Shogun soft tap code S1 to process the field data. Number 7. Office computer to process field data and make drawing. Cost comparison. Digital land survey equipment has replaced the functions of three survey instruments presently in use. Number 1. Theodolite. Number 2. Auto level. Number 3. The total station. Market price of above three instruments varies from 10 to 25 lakh rupees. On the other hand, digital land survey equipment assembly costs only 1 lakh rupees. Hence, appreciable saving on instrument cost is apparent. The working with present instrument is very tedious and technical graduates are required to operate them. DLSE assembly can be operated by undergraduates after little training. This is appreciable time saving in the fieldwork in case of DLSE assembly. Target market. DLSE assembly is useful in the following areas. Number 1. All engineers and architects professionals. Number 2. Government engineering departments carrying out land surveys for making maps and plans. Number 3. Engineering colleges having civil engineering department. Number 4. Revenue department, Patwari map making. Number 5. Consultant groups developing and designing BOT, build, operate and transfer projects for execution of social welfare projects. Marketing network. Following people are employed in the setting of the marketing network of DLSE assembly. Number 1. Dealers and sub-dealers may approach for the sale of equipment. They need to set franchise center also for the training. Number 2. Management trainee are employed at each franchise center.
Digital Land Survey Equipment is unique startup developed at Apurv JST Network. Any young enterprising entrepreneur can undertake production of this under Make in India as startup. Through Apurv JST Network, we distribute the franchise to make every school going child intelligent, innovative, and inventive. Different activities to achieve these mottos are: Number 1. Weekend classes of Math Lab and Tinkering Lab for children of any school who are deprived of the opportunities because in their school they do not have facilities of these labs. Number 2. Innovative ideas are generally extracted from activities performed in our labs, which motivate students to think in innovative manner. Number 3. Tinkering Lab implies innovative thinking. It originates from school level and finds places in several engineering applications. Innovation is continuous need of human society for change in lifestyle. Government and private agencies inviting tender for land survey jobs need to amend conditions of prerequisites mentioned for the work. They need to include that parties having digital land survey equipment may also participate and submit tenders for the job. If any agency disallows the participation, then they are liable to face legal actions under the provision of Make in India campaign of Government of India for DLSC instrument use. Thank you.